you really felt that in that moment you dominated the Asperger monster. Like you were just confident, you were social, like
When did I start working for you? No, probably. Oh, Dad, something.
yeah, don't worry about
Probably. I don't know. Probably about a couple months ago.
it. Yeah.
Like when I noticed the change, like when I knew I was more confident, when you pointed it out to me, saying how far I've come over the year, I feel like maybe I've conquered something. Maybe I'm over the hard part of Asperger's syndrome, and everything will be a lot smoother now.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, at the beginning, remember when we had you do mirror work?
Mm-hmm.
And
I couldn't. I had trouble doing that, and now I can talk to people at the club.
Yeah.
I can meet people at the club without freaking out. I have girls on my arm almost all night at a club, and it's new. I mean, it's sometimes things like that can unnerve a guy, but it's what I've always wanted. So I'm thrilled about how far I've come, and that's happening now.
Yeah, I mean, it was just a dream a little while ago, man.
Yeah, it used to just be a dream, and now I know that dreams come true.
Yeah, right. I mean, you have, you know, you've had a hard time meeting friends, you know. Talk about the group of friends that I've brought to your life.
Well, it started with. It actually did not start with Jeff and Eoc. It started that first night before I was part of Spencer Burnett when we went to Bevy.
Okay.
But the thing is that something in me did not make me nervous. Because those guys were, Larry, Feza, all those guys were just so nice right off the bat. And they acted like they already knew me.
Mm-hmm.
I think that is something that if more people did that when they were meeting new people, it would take some of the edge off. If you feel like you already know somebody and you act like that, I wasn't as nervous because they acted like they already knew me, and what they didn't know, they didn't care, but they thought I was a cool guy because I was there.
Right.
And then as I got to know your other friends by not talking to them, but just listening when you guys were talking and then bringing myself into it, was also easy. If I ease myself into it at my own pace, as long as I don't take forever, I can do it. I mean,